Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button and it's called the notification bell. I recommend that you press it because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. What it does is YouTube supposedly will send you a notification that I just uploaded. So I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up button. And what that does is it's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So if you watch my content, I would appreciate you doing the thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue and you're helping me grow on this platform. All right, today, I finally got the FabFitFun. So a lot of you probably have seen all this, and I also share with you when FabFitFun comes out what the selections are, and I try to help you guys because when I started with FabFitFun, I didn't understand a lot of it. So I try my best in my videos to always share and explain so that everybody can enjoy it all. All right, FabFitFun, this is the box that we got this month. It is huge. And the reason it's huge is a lot of us had the choice of getting a bathrobe or a wrap or a blanket. So that's why I think the box is so large this month. But FabFitFun is a seasonal box, and there's something really unique about this box. When it first started, I only have been doing it, this is my second year that I'm doing it, and I do it annually. And the reason it's a benefit to do it annually is you're allowed to make 5 customized choices versus 3. And you also get in early to get, if you want to do add-ons and things like that. So I think for the, and you also save, I think, about $4 or $5 on the box. If you're getting FabFitFun, there's always going to be a link in the description box of usually anyone who's showing the box on their channel. I think as soon as you sign up for it, you can get this link that can give who's ever watching some dollars off. When I get boxes where we can send starter boxes, I try to share that on my channel too. So there's a lot of little extra perks. So if you're interested, you can always, hit the link and hopefully you'll be able to get a discount on your box, but I don't think they give the discounts on annual. They do it when you're doing it season by season. All right, so season by season, I think it's $49. I think mine, because I pay up front for the whole year, it ends up being around $45. So the FabFitFun comes with a beautiful magazine. This season, it's Katie Couric. They have a lot of TV, fitness things. They have a lot of really cool stuff that if you want to be involved, you can. I really don't access any of the information in here, but the magazine is always very helpful once you get it because it also shares the other selections that are in here that you could have made. There's also, like I said, I've shared with you in the past, when I go through it, I know a lot of girls buy a lot from FabFitFun, and they do a lot with their add-ons and things like that. I'm finding with BoxyCharm and with Ipsy, a lot of things that are makeup related or skincare related are stronger on those. I find a lot more lifestyle products are stronger on FabFitFun. So this is where you decide which boxes fit your needs. So inside they always have little cards in here that they work with people. There's a FabFitFun sticker, there's something for wine, there's something about HBO Max. They always put in 9 free meals. This one is HelloFresh, but it's not always HelloFresh. Like I said, there's always these little little things that they put in the box to I guess help pay for the box. People put advertising in it. My value of my box, based on what I chose, is $310, and like I said, I paid about $45. So the first item that I got was that I chose for myself was from the Summer&Rose brand, which is a FabFitFun brand. This is made out of the same material of those beautiful throw blankets that they have. This is a full robe with a hoodie and a tie. I'm leaving it packaged up because I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with it yet, but if you've watched any of the channels, they had the blanket similar the year before. It's the hide blanket and unhide. This is what it looks like here. And it was, I think, in gray last season, and this season they did it in the brown. They're saying that's a $70 value. It says cuddle up in this fuzzy robe with features front pockets, but I also know when I saw it, it had a hood as well. So with you, as you know, with pricing, these are the prices that they put in here. Summer&Rose is their brand. the prices of the items that are in here are very high. Like, you know, that's why I started my True Wants Need It bag. We're working on volume 3. Something I'm wearing might possibly be in that volume. So that's what I'm trying to do, to try to help, because I have the connections to be able to get you things at certain pricing, and now we have the connections through the add-ons if you want some other type of products, as well as on, you know, BoxyCharm and Ipsy for the skincare and the makeup. We now have those connections. So the prices that are in here, they're saying the value of the box is $310. I always tell you the value of the box is based on if you're going to enjoy the products that are in here, and you know, if you're going to get more than $50 if you went to a store based on what was in the box, that to me is the value. So I don't like, I'll tell you what the prices are, but to me, that has no value, the prices that are on here. The first item that I chose for myself, I chose a Murad product. I enjoy Murad. He is an expensive brand. I love that we have access to these type of products, like I said, here as well as on BoxyCharm and Ipsy. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion one, and they're saying this is a $78 value. Supposedly it's formulated with collagen and amino acids to treat, visibly minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. The next item that I chose was from DrBrandt, another expensive brand. I've tried a few of his products and I've enjoyed majority. This one is a cleanser. When cleanser is an option, I usually grab that. This is his Pore Purifying Cleanser. This is a $36 value. Supposedly it will remove makeup residue, dead skin, and will banish sebum and decongested pores. Like I said, very good brands. I'm really happy they were in here. The next item, and you had choices of like other things that were more lifestyle, but at this stage in the game, I already have enough of all these other items. This scarf, they're saying, is also like, where is it here? Like a $70 value for this scarf. If you go on to True Wants, you know, on Improving Lifestyles website, our huge pashmina scarf that's you know, made with pashmina and silk, huge. We're selling it on its own, if you want to choose a color on its own, for $18.99, and in our volume 1 bag it's 1 out of 4 items for $18.99. So that's what I mean about pricing. So, but you know, if you got the scarf from here, and you know, that's what they're saying the price is. The next item that we got in here is from Tula. This is the item here, and it's saying it is a Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. They're saying this is a $30 value. They're saying to energize and awaken the under eye area, or use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones, your cupid's bow, for an instant glow. I pulled out the one that I got in BoxyCharm box. I think this was in the $25 box, and I think I got a backup of this for like $6 in a Boxy pop-up sale. I really enjoyed this a lot. I always tell you guys to keep the plastic on the top. Even though I've used this, you can see that it goes down lower. I think it just keeps the item fresher. I'm enjoying this so much that I was really happy that I saw it available, you know, in the Boxy pop-up sale as a backup. So to me, you know, like I said, these are fantastic brands, and this is, you know, normally a $30 value. So when they had something different, I decided I'm going to try that as well. Another brand that I've really enjoyed, and is one that it's not getting enough, I don't know why, but I'm in talks now to try to get something like this for future, something that I'm doing. And this is from the brand called Whish, and it is the Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. This is a gentle exfoliator. These are $20, and they are expensive, but the quality and what you get out of this is fantastic. So to me, this was something, once I saw this was an option, I grabbed it because I enjoy this brand so much. And that is a like I said, dollar value, and it's an organic brown sugar and organic shea butter that works together to exfoliate and soften your lips. And they're saying some areas weren't able to get this because of restrictions in shipping. The next one that I got was another choice, and my choices, if you watched that video, you knew there was nothing in here that was like, oh my god, I couldn't wait to get it. Where the month before, you know, there were sunglasses that I couldn't wait to get, or there was a Michael Kors wallet. For some reason this month there was nothing like that for me, but I end up enjoying all the products that I get, and I do get my value out of this box, and that's why I continue to get it and show it on my channel. This is a dry shampoo powder. This is what this one is here, and it is $24. Like I said, the other choices were things that I didn't need or want, so I ended up choosing this. It absorbs oils, impurities, while adding a touch of lift and texture with the powder of apple cider. And also some people weren't able to get this because there were some shipping restrictions on that as well. Then they choose some products for you. And I'm trying to see what's here. And I'm only seeing 2 of them for some reason I have on the table. One of them were these scrunchies. And it says, keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies. They're saying these 3 scrunchies are $25. And I just got a 4-pack from Ipsy that were made with from Quiche, which is a really, really good brand. These do not feel anything extra special, but every other girl that I've seen get these, their opinion was the same. So that's that item there. And then the next item that I got was from Phase Zero. Phase Zero is a really good brand also. This is a $27 value. This is a silky smooth formula that blends with seamless into your skin for a gorgeous flush of color. Like I said, this is on its own $27. I got in a box the Phase Zero. I didn't get it in a box, excuse me. I saw a few girls get this in the box, so when this showed up in the pop-up, I grabbed it. And I think I paid $4 or $6 for this. I did use this and enjoy it. That's what they look like here. I enjoy the quality of this, so whoever got this and never tried Phase Zero, I think you're going to enjoy that this was in your box. And I think that's everything. Oh, and they also put a Kind bar in the box that's, you know, in the box as well. I'm trying to see if there's something else that I missed. So I guess the 3 items were the Whish I ended up getting, and I'm happy that I did, the Phase Zero, and the Scrunchies. So there's a few items that they choose for you, because there's 8 items. We choose 5 as a person that does it annually, and they choose 3. The few boxes that I had the opportunity to watch, because my box came so late, everyone seemed to get these 3 items. So I really don't know what the other 3 items are. I'm sure it's something within the book here. And from what I'm seeing here, it possibly could have been a wallet, which I don't need because of improving lifestyles. A nail polish, which you know how I feel about Deborah Lippmann polishes. If you've got, you know, in volume 2 of our True On Scenic bag, you would have got a Deborah Lippmann polish. So like I said, this box for me, I get more excited when it comes, you know, when we make the choices and all that. That to me is the most exciting part. When I have the opportunity to use these and be able to find some new loves, that's when I'll end up loving it. But am I overly excited about this box? No. But will I give up getting this box? No, because I do get my value out of this box. And there's always 1 or 2 finds, like I said, that I'm not good, you know, to get a Murad product that's, you know, a $70-something product in a $45, $50 box. To me, this is always a win. So like I said, that's how, you know, I know a lot of girls swear by FabFitFun. I tried 1 mystery bag. You can see that on my channel. I didn't get lucky with the mystery bag. So I stick with what my choices are. Once in a while, I'll do an add-on that are in the choices, because you can usually add when there's like 5 items to choose from. Once you choose one, you can usually choose a second one for $10 or $15 or $7. That's usually what I did. And I did that last month with some jewelry. I got a necklace, I think for, you know, $10 or something. But I'm able to find, I feel, better things that I like to do with those extra dollars. So I take what I do with my subscription, and then everything else I leave to when I'm, you know, shopping on the boxy pop-ups and things like that. Because to be able to get, you know, one blush, you know, was $27. I got all of these for, you know, the price that I just told you. All right. As always, guys, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But so important during this time that everybody continues to stay safe, to be able to stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.